Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to you all students. Here Maliha Niaz, your SST teacher, and today we are going to complete unit number 1, Our Country in the World. Our topic is landforms of Earth. Landforms are physical feature on the Earth's surface. Mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, rivers, all are very important landforms. Let's learn about all these. Mountains. Mountains are highest lands. There is no fixed height, but usually mountains are above 2000 to 3000 meters. These are solid. The tips of mountains are called peaks. Some mountains are sharp or pointed. There are two types of mountains, young mountains and old mountains. Pointed and young mountains are Himalayas and Karakoram. Chain of mountains is called range. Second type of physical feature is hills. Hills are lands above sea level but not as high as mountains. Hills are generally covered with vegetation. A very important landform is plateaus. Plateaus are areas of flat land above sea level. Some plateaus are fertile, but some plateaus have poor land. In this world, there are many plateaus, but Tibetan is highest and largest plateau of the world. It is called roof of the world as well. Plains. These are areas of flat land at lower levels. Plains are very important because this is area where most farming takes place. Now let's talk about extreme area. I mean desert. Desert is a very extreme and a very dry area of the world. Only tough plants can grow over there. Deserts have very high temperature and there is no water or little water. In this world, there are two types of deserts, hot desert and cold desert. A very important landform is river. This is flowing or moving water. These can be tiny streams or mighty rivers. Rivers have fresh water. Sometimes when a river enters the sea, it breaks into many small rivers in a V shape. It is called delta. So students, these are physical features of Earth. You have to find out all given physical features of the map of subcontinent. And you have to learn all these. If you have any problem, you may ask from me. Take care and have a nice day.